Hello everybody, my name is Tofu, and in this video today I will be showing you how to create a Twitch chatbot using Python. First, you want to install Python. You can either do this from the python.org website, or if you're on Windows, you can use the Microsoft Store. Then you'll want to install Visual Studio Code. Then you want to log into the dev.twitch.tv website with either an account that you have for your bot specifically or with your own personal Twitch account. Then click on your console. Click on Applications, and then click on Register your application. Name it something unique. And then in OAuth redirect URLs, you're going to want to put in http://localhost:17.563. Click on Add and remove on the secondary one that appears automatically. Change the category to chatbot, and then make sure the client type is set to confidential. Do the CAPTCHA, click Create, click on Manage. Then you want to copy the client ID, and under Client Secret, click on New Secret. Click OK. And then copy this as well and paste both of these somewhere you'll remember. After you've created your Twitch application, you want to make a folder on your computer that will hold all of the contents for our bot. After you've done that, you can open Visual Studio Code, click on File, and then Open Folder, and then go to wherever you put the folder. Don't worry about these two files I have here. This is just for tutorial sake. Click on Toggle Secondary Sidebar, and then type in here pip install twitchAPI. This will install all of the Python modules for the Twitch API. Once that's done, you can close the sidebar, create a new file, name it main.py. And the first thing that we'll put in this main.py file is all of our import stuff. Don't worry about this last one. This just imports the special file that I have here that stores all of my API keys. Next thing that we'll do is add all of our constant variables. In the app ID, you will put in the client ID that you got from the developer console. In app secret, you will put in the client secret that you got from the developer console. The user scope variable is just all the permissions that it has. These are the main ones that you'll need. And in the target channel, you will put your Twitch channel in here. Next thing we'll add is the onMessage command. This is an event that listens for any messages in your Twitch chat. It prints the username who sent it and the text that it is. Next, we'll add the onReady event. This is an event that listens for when the bot connects successfully to the Twitch API. Once it's connected to the Twitch API, it will join your chat and then print a ready message. Next, we will add the bot setup function. This gives the bot its user authentication, initializes the chat instance, and registers the two events that we set up here. Then it starts the chat bot, and then what this bit at the end does is that it prompts you to press enter to close the bot. And then lastly, we will add the run statement, and then we'll run the debugger. You can press F5 to do this without going up here. This will open the terminal again. And then once the bot connects successfully to the Twitch API, it will open this window. It'll open this new browser tab. Once this is open, you can close it. And then you can see that it successfully connected and printed the ready message to the screen. And now we can test to see if it gets messages. So we'll do test in our chat. You see it prints the test message in the console. Now that we know that our bot can successfully connect to the Twitch API and listen for chat events, we will go ahead and add a command. This will be a simple lurk command that generates a random number between 0 and 4 and replies to the command with a message. Under register events, we'll go ahead and register our new lurk command. And then now we can test that as well. Connect successfully. Close that. Bring up our chat box. Type in exclamation lurk. Spell it correctly, obviously. And look at that, our bot replies with a lurk message. So that is how you create a simple yet really powerful chatbot for your Twitch. I hope you found this super helpful. In the next video, I will be showing you how you can incorporate this with the OBS WebSocket stuff. So subscribe if you don't want to miss that. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In the description, I will leave a link to my Discord server where you can download this file. I will also link any relevant information down there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.